Hey guys, what is up? Well, on my way to a wrecking yard to get two wheels for that Volkswagen. It's kind of a drive, I'm about halfway there. Just kind of cruising along the highway. Let's see what this wrecking yard has to offer me. They claim they got a set of 4. I only need 2. Alright guys. Well, B&R at it again. They said these wheels didn't exist. Well, they weren't inventoried. Said they were sold, but yet I found them. That's about normal. So here we go. I got them. They'll do. Not the best, but they're not all cracked up like the other ones. So, update. Did get the wheels. After about an hour of trying to figure out why they weren't inventoried. Well, the wheels aren't in the greatest condition, but they're refurbishable. They're not cracked, not bent. But apparently there was an order for another wheel that had already been returned because of damage, so it took about an hour of back and forth for the other location to realize that the other 3 wheels were in the same condition. But at this point, the price I paid was fair. They're completely refurbishable. Just the other customer didn't want to take the time and effort into refurbishing the wheels. So now I'm on my way back. Alright guys. Hey guys, update video. Bumper back on. Now check this out. This is the replacement knuckle is in place. Took some fighting, but it's all good now. Next, we still have to get the sway bar bolt in. And put the tire on, put the caliper back on. But we're pretty much calling it a night. It looks good, it's in the center. This should do, this should do. And as I do more on this, I'll obviously get videos done. Well guys, look at that! She's back on all 4s. Alignment looks pretty good. Still going to need to take it in. Here we go. Next I'm going to work on the front inner tie rod. Hey, that's not supposed to be bent like that. Wow. This side took a good hit. Well, down here, that guy's fighting. The Allen key that you use to hold it while you break the nut loose is stripped. So I guess it's getting the old cutty-cutty. Alright guys, another update. New tie rod in with a new tie rod end. So we got the inner and the outer on. And here we go. Had to cut the old one because the inner tie rod removal tool that I got was bad. So here we go. That's what the outer looks like. Yeah, I had to cut it there like I did in the previous video. But yeah, she's a little bent. Just a little. So, alright guys.